try to do now is change that last spark which is in there. So that means I need to get the airbox off, which is factory zip tie, actually two. It's handy. That strap is on, which is fine, but see zip ties again, I think. Alright, so this airbox, other side. Should come off. I've never actually seen the air filter on one of these, so airlock. Maserati air filter. Jeez, that's potentially seen some better days. Who knows how much one of those is going to be. Back in line. Is that split? We have X. Wow. I'll palaver around just to change that last spark plug. Alright, there's one there. Very perished. So I'm get a bit of a torch, a bit of light in here. So I'm not going to sink in behind here. There's my there we go. So the socket's on. So we get the swivel on. You want? No. Swivel. Swivel. Jeez. Sometimes you think making one of these things, you'd rather take an eye out with a spoon. Okay. I'll do this bit by bit, I think. Actually, can I? It's in the way. Come back when I've actually got this on. Might be a bit easier. Still got it out. One thing I might do is just take this off. This is in the way. That is fuel. Interesting. came up with a magnificent design to run the fuel well. Everything's up there. No, not really doing too much except for cleaning. It's there. It'll make a difference a little bit. Don't really like the fact it's fuel pissing out, but it's got nowhere to go. I'm not going to catch the bar up. Out. Cleans up a little bit of the way. Such fiddly areas to work on. Just when you think you've got it, you don't. Alright, when I've got it, I'll let you know. So I'll try a different swivel on it now, which is smaller. Hopefully, it's going to get better results. Not so far, it swivels a lot more. Come on. Oh yes, there we go. So we're on. Okay, winning that part of it anyway. I'm going to get something as straight as possible. Yep, spark plugs coming out. Okay, now you're going to come out. No. Can I get my hands in there? Is one question. No, I need to get a pair of needle nose. Hang on. No, always bloody effort for one freaking spark plug. Anyway, seems to be free. No, it is not. We have to go through all that crap again. Let's drop this on first and then drop the swivel and the extension on. Severe pain in the ass. What? Okay, I'm going to come out now. That's the plug. Yeah. Moving. Yes. Okay, so how do you look? Well, you actually don't look too bad. It's done level 5, so might as well get you as well. And of course it's starting to rain. new, oh yeah, of course I was going to do that. New spark plug. I just did the reverse of what I did before. Drop it in that way. Okay, that's it there, seated. Now let's get this. Did the reverse of what we did before. This on. Right, there we go. Oh, it's a pain. That to me looks like it's going on. So that's a bit of wind. Alright. It's getting handles tight. That's come off. Great. Awesome. Well, it looks like the spark plug's all the way down. Here we go. No, we can't. Come on. We're in. Looks like. Okay. Sneak this around. Fuel on. If you want to go, or you do have to go, you have to go. Okay, is that spark plug wire out? No. No. Everything is so tight in here. Nope. So it's stuck behind there. Give me a bit of a persuasion. Yep, there we go. So easy to come on, so hard to get on. So easy to pull off, I should say. Okay, well, that's it. Yeah, that's on. It's on there. Check the other one while I'm here. It's on. It's on. One's on. Yeah, so that's on. So we should just need to back up the fuel. Alright, remove these bits and pieces. Let's do a final check. You have to replace all the vacuum lines in this thing because it's so old. Right, I think we're fine. Let's give it a start. Box that on it. Nothing's leaking. Can't see any spark at that grade. indicators, and then we pretty much no miss. You can hear it. It's not doing that thing anymore. Yes, running sweetly, not overheating, and oil pressure starting to behave itself.